Hello humans! Today I'll just give you a quick recap on the levels of a burp. So remember, there are, you could say, 5 levels. The 5 levels are levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold on. They're right here. Except the 5, which you guys call, is actually called level ignition. Ignition just means, in reality, ignition means 4 plus. That's what actually ignition means. So there's no level 5, but some of you people actually call it an atomic bomb. I don't know why, but you just call it that way. So I guess I should just follow along with you guys. Should I? Yeah. Okay. So remember how much gulps each burp needs. Level 1 needs 2 to 3 gulps of air. Level 2 is 4 to 5. Level 3 is 6 to 7, 8 to 9, and so on. The maximum capacity I think my stomach can hold is 12, so that will be a ignition, but I usually don't stretch my stomach that high. I usually just stop at a level 4. So I'm going to do some burps for you. First of all, I need to let out any excessive burps I still have in my stomach, and to get the best performance while burping, please sit up. This will be the best posture for a higher success rate. So I need to empty out my excessive burps. Excessive burps are burps that when you burp, sometimes they don't come out with one piece, and you still have leftovers. To empty out excessive burps, swallow some more air down and then just let it out, and hopefully it will be in one piece. So I'm going to let some out now. Okay, this is level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Well, I almost made it. One tiny more. There. And this is level ignition. If I should try it. This is hard. Burp alert!
David, do you mind?
There you go. This is the burping scale. Thank you for watching, humans.